Hello viewers, today we'll discuss about new project ASP.NET Core MVC Web Starter Kit. So this project we have covered all the bootstrapping major tasks so that any project startup bootstrapping task can be minimized. So we added multiple database connection like SQL Server, MySQL, PostgreSQL. And this project we have used latest ASP.NET Core MVC and .NET 6.0 Entity Framework Core CodeFast AdminLTE for UI, which is pretty beautiful and also responsive. So let's start for the project overview. So this project is we have added a lot of features like multi-language. So this is this project support is multiple language. Just for demo purpose, we have added Arabic language and English as a default language. So additionally, we have added audit trail for database operation tracking. So here is the audit trail. So after login, so that what table operation like create and update, all the things you can check here listed operation showing. You can search. So here is the project details: ASP.NET Core MVC Web Starter Kit, core feature MVC. ASP.NET Core MVC architecture, entity framework, CodeFast, identity core, multiple database support. I already mentioned AdminLTE latest version, user management, and a lot of things here. We try all the things. We try to add all the things so that project bootstrapping tasks can be minimized within a couple of hours. You just start with a complete beautiful admin dashboard. You just need to add the business logic and further requirement to enhance your project. So let me just going through a demo. Here is the user management. Already default user added once you run the project. This is CodeFast approach. So let me give you overview how CodeFast approach work. I will delete the database and run the project, then you can see all the things will create automatically. So let me just delete the data. I first delete the MSSQL, then MySQL, and I will show the PostgreSQL as well. So if I run this script, DB, I will disconnect it and delete. Database will be deleted. So here is the project. If I build and run the project again, so build is success. If I run the project, hopefully we can see running DB script and all the demo data will show in the terminal. So DB operation successful. As we can see, project is listening 5000 and 5001. So here is the login screen. My antivirus may be taking additional time, so let me sign. So successfully we have signed into the application, total 11 user, and if we just create just one demo user and try to log in using that user, so here is the user details, additional feature like as an employee you can use this user like employee ID, date of birth, designation. So here's the drop down. All the drop down data came from database, and this is multiple drop down, joining date, leaving date, and additional feature as well. So already data selected. I just map demo data so that additional input we can avoid. So just for test, press the save. So user created successful, username gf@gmail.com. So here is the new user. If we click the user details, then we can see user details with the default user icon. And if we try to log in using this user, then this user cannot access all the pages, just he can access his profile. Password is 123. So this is the empty. So menu is dynamic based on the user access, role based access. User can see the menu. So admin can access all the pages, but other user access just a simple dashboard. If I log out and log in as admin again, if we go to the user management, and if we click the action button, manage page access, see just a dashboard and a user profile, other page not allowed for this user. And if we go to the super admin or admin, then we can see all the pages this user can access. So already I have prepared a CRUD operation demo video for a paid user. So if you purchase this application, you can get an additional video like categories CRUD operation from source code, like model view controller and jQuery for front end. All the things I explain in that video. So here is the categories CRUD operation. So all the CRUD operation is Ajax based. So no page load in this project. We have no page loading will happen. So if we click the save, so just see, just want to add it without full page loading. And if you delete this, automatically data has been deleted, created once you click the OK, row has been deleted. Also same will happen the edit and display for just if you click the user ID, you can see all the details. So all this is the example CRUD operation. I will explain like half-an-hour video and all the full CRUD operation like model creation, mapping. We have used manual mapping, not any third-party tools, which is pretty faster. Then DB migration, connection database, finally create the controller, and controller communicate with view and also communicate with database, and also the jQuery code with JavaScript code for front-end validation, and finally save into database. All the things I have explained in half-an-hour video. So if you purchase this application, you will get this manual, additional videos, and also this CRUD operation details. Here is the user manage page access. You can control audit log. So this application we have covered the audit log. Any type of DB operation you can check here. Also, this application is multilingual. You can add more language. All the configuration in the source code. We have just test basis added a Arabic language. So login history. So we have added the user login and logout history here. And in the settings, there is a designation department and sub department. This is the drop-down data. If you add more row, then in the drop-down user profile creation will show there. And this drop-down is dynamic. We pull the data from the database with generic drop-down load. Identity setting. So identity setting also dynamic. You can control user access, like required password length is I have set right now is 3. Just for testing, you can set 6. Also the required digit. So other things you can control here. Email configuration. So we have set up multiple email here so that you can use test SMTP email. So if we just click this test SMTP email, so sender email, you can add multiple SMTP emails. So currently default is this one, and receiver email. So who is going to receive this email? If we send this email, currently I have configured with the app database. The SMTP server is secure collection of the client was not authenticated. So we need to add the password. I did not add. So all the exception, and if success the email, you can check send email history. See failed status, the SMTP requires. So if we send anyone, then more email, then you can check here. Also email setting additional. This is the old feature. You can set single SMTP here. Also SendGrid if you have the SendGrid credentials. I already explained send email history, JW token. So if you request the login and JW token from the postman, then all the token you can check here with added date and expire date. So this is the overall overview from user interface, and I already explained one CRUD operation with project architecture. I'll explain another half-an-hour video. If you purchase this application, you will get that video, also the detailed documentation, also the latest source code with all features. So I just cover MySQL connection. Now I will log in and add I will show you the PostgreSQL connection, how it works.